Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So guys, you just seen my video where I had showed you all my bohemian outfits, and you want to know which one is my favorite? It's definitely the very first one that I have shown you guys. It's the very cute, it's like super cute, it's silk, it's like breathable, I can play around with it, jump around and not feel too like closed off-ish. So that's why I like this outfit more. And also I really like how the neckline is, how it has the lace like is super cute for me because I really like how my lace, like I like my outfits to have lace in it, also kind of like have floral in it, so I got both of them into one with this shirt. So like I like this, and then when my denim jeans was paired with it, I'm like, it has to go, like you have to see this. So like I really love this outfit, but mostly I like how it matches with every single thing of my like items. It can like, you can switch it out with the pants, you can switch it out with shirts, you can switch it out like multiple ways, and especially it matches with my so if you guys want me to show you how I made my purse, I will link that out. Now I will probably should make a new video for you guys. I'll make a special video for you guys down, so comment down in the description box below that you guys want me to make you a satchel bag video. I will make that for you guys. But I really like this satchel bag because it was made from a pair of pants, and I also blinked out myself, so it was my very first time making a satchel bag, so that's why I like the purse so much. But it went great with my outfit. Like it made it through the roof when I did the video. So I'm happy with this outfit. I like the other outfits, but this one is my top favorite. Just hands down my top favorite. So I like this outfit more than I like the others.